Steam rises from a humble bowl of miso soup, curling upward like morning mist over quiet hills. Silken tofu drifts gently beside strands of seaweed, a quiet pairing that speaks of simplicity and deep nourishment. Chopsticks move gracefully, lifting a bite with silent reverence, revealing how even the smallest act holds meaning. A plate of grilled fish glistens under the warm light, its skin crisped by care, its flavor speaking of patience. Beside it rests a mound of freshly steamed rice, each grain shining with quiet perfection, a foundation of life. Pickled vegetables add color, vivid pink, gentle green, a palette of nature's preserved gifts. The table is minimal, wooden, and low, yet the air hums with peace and presence, as if nothing more is needed. A hand places a bowl with gentle precision, honoring not just food, but the moment of sharing. The meal invites a slow rhythm, chewing becomes meditation, flavors unfolding like pages in a poem. Simplicity here is not lack, but clarity, a quiet harmony of taste, texture, and time. No rich sauces, no towering portions, only balance, intention, and soul in every dish. The heart of washaku is revealed, not through spectacle, but through its deep listening to nature and season. Miso, rice, and fish, three notes in a melody that lingers in the body long after the meal has ended. A grandmother's hands prepared this once, now they echo through generations in these quiet flavors. This isn't just a meal, it's a reflection of life lived close to the earth, and with care in every choice. And in this quiet ritual, we're reminded, food is not just to eat, but to feel, to thank, and to be changed by.